Think DocuSign is just for e-signatures? Think again. In 2025, DocuSign goes beyond signing documents. With workflow automation, contract lifecycle management, and integrations with tools like Salesforce and Microsoft Teams can manage agreements, approvals, and compliance all in one place. You can speed up processes, reduce errors, and keep everything secure and organized. The standout is efficiency. What used to take days can now be done in hours, and teams get full visibility into every step of a contract. It's perfect for businesses that handle lots of agreements, though smaller teams may not need every feature. So, if you want operations and agreements to move faster and smarter, DocuSign is more than just signatures. Like the video, subscribe, and comment what tool you want review next.